What's up guys, me Lucas from Sunday Dude. Welcome to another Beyblade X unboxing. We got UX line this time. Saber Samurai 270 level. Pick it up from my local Target. It comes with this Samurai launcher. Super long compared to your regular winder launcher, and it comes with a longer ripcord. Also comes with rubber grips, which I will be using for my main string launcher setup. Also comes with Saber Samurai, and it has like a gimmick where the layer, once the layer starts spinning super hard in the beginning, you'll have these little tabs that come out, or wings. Once it slows down, you have two bigger ones. It looks like this is an attack type. This level bit's really good. The layer's alright. The ratchet is kind of meh. But people buy it for the launcher grip and then the ripcord as well as the level bit. Alright, let's open it. There is no let it rip, so you gotta use box cutters. Alright, inside the box, here we go. There's a lot of stuff in the box, holy. Beyblade down here. You can hear the metal tabs. I got all the parts out. Let's take a look at the Beyblade first. You got Saber Samurai, or Samurai Saber. You can see these tabs here, which as you spin, you launch it super hard. We'll just go, these will come out and you have like a mirage kind of mode. As your centrifugal force begins to decrease, then these tabs start to go inwards, and now you got some bigger contact points here and this other side. We'll see how that works in the stadium. That's pretty cool though. QR code for you. Got the 270 ratchet in this light green and clear color. And this level bit, man, this thing is crazy. It has multiple layers on it. Focus. You can see that there's 1, 2, 3 kind of layers in the tip. Got a small little point in the middle, circle on the outside, and then it's like a jagged kind of edge around it. And then there's also about 16 gears on it. Let's put the bay together. Oh, man. This thing is so cool though. It's very gimmicky. Let's take a look at the launcher now. We got some grips. These are rubber grips that just attach onto like that. And this thing is solid. You can also exchange it for this little one for here or in the top. I like mine big. So you just hold it like this. You got your extended ripcord launcher. Damn, that's crazy. Let me compare it to the regular ripcord launcher. Give me a second. Alright, here's the regular launcher that you would find. It's got very tiny holding positions. Like you gotta like grip it like this. With this, you just have it out like this, more comfortable. And the string is also longer. So if you compare the two from edge to edge, it's about right there. You do get a little bit more, like maybe an inch or two more teeth, which will make your Beyblade spin a little bit faster, more power. Alright, on to the test spin and test battle now. Moving on to the test spin, here we got the Beyblade itself. We'll launch that first with the new Wander launcher. That's pretty cool. The elevator, the level bit, I mean. You can hear the jagged edge of the bit as it hits like the center part of the stadium. Right now for some test battles. You can hear the blade just slightly. I'd say the bit is more like a balance type bit, as it like it can like have different movements. Hey, beat Dragoon there. Bursted. concludes today's unboxing. I'd say this Beyblade is it's alright. I'll definitely say change the ratchet because that is very burst prone. The bit is really good though. And the layer it's alright. You can hear like some of the battles. You can see that there's like bigger hits towards the end as this little blade retracts. I'm actually gonna take these grips and put it on my main launcher right here. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.